how you price your home is starting to matter again. And so when we sit down with a seller and we talk about what price we're going to list the home at, we essentially have three pricing models, and where we price it and how our strategy moving forward is going to fit somewhere into these models. All right, now the very first one, and this has probably worked for the past year or so, is the aspirational pricing model, in which we just kind of say, like, this is what I would like to get, and if I got this number, I'll sell it. And you throw a huge number on there, and if you get a buyer, great. But typically what happens when we start off to say, like, well, this is what I would like to get, we end up price reduction, having to back into getting our buyer, and a lot of times you end up netting less money at the end of it because you had to back down to get there. Now, the second model here, and this has also worked really well for the past year or so, is the event-based pricing. And the idea there is that we actually price it under what we think it could get or what the market shows us we could get. And we, in hopes that we're going to entice multiple buyers to drive the price up and maybe even land above. Now, nobody likes to leave money on the table, and so typically the event-based pricing is not what a seller is going to want to do. And then we've got our third model, in which we look at the comps and we try to come up with as accurate of a price as we can, and we start right exactly where we think we can get, because that's the chance that we're going to get the most eyeballs on the property and we're going to get the best price.